Igo.
Tapos stress tabs.
Yung stress
Wala
tabs.
na, gumagamit ka pa rin.
Well, ang ginagamit ko ngayon, very simple na lang. Alam mo, tulad ngayon, malamig ang panahon. Ang November, December, January, February, malamig ang panahon. If they would ask me, personal ko ito, sunlight is very important sa manok.
Yes.
And you seldom see sunlight sa lahat ng farm.
Yeah.
Meron man, siyempre meron pa rin, pero not enough.
Yeah.
So what I give during this season, that's the lowest vitamin D3.
Oh,
D3 IU,
okay.
400 IU.
Okay.
I give it to them once every 10 days.
Okay.
Para may pang sunlight sila.
So yun ang magre-replay, yun ang substitute
Yun ang substitute sa sunlight na
natural
nawawala.
light. Okay.
Diba?
Okay.
Once in 10 days.
Anong naging epekto ng vitamin D? What do you think is yung effect sa mga manok ng vitamin D?
Ayos. Nakita mo naman, pumapalo. Lakas pumalo. Kasi nawawala sunlight, nakukuha doon. Pero you don't give it frequent.
Yeah.
You have to give it in moderation.
In moderation.
And that's very maliit na yung IU.
Okay.
Tapos, ang painom ko, every other day na electrolytes.
Every other day during conditioning.
At saka ako, sa conditioning ko, na very hard training, boss mix, nagpapamerienda ako ng high protein.
More solid stories coming only here on Largana Podcast. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe.